Take your seat and ask for a point of order. Take your seat. Hlala phansi. Hlala phansi.
Please recognize me.
Take your seat. Hayi nizanikhupha. Nizawuphuma one by one.
Kuthome kwangakuba nerawurawu ngaphambi kobana uNgqongqotjhe weZeemali uEnoch Godongwana ethule ikulumo yakhe yesabelo seemali yokukhibelela ntambama nje ePalamende. IFF beyikatelela ukujama ngenyawo iphethe amaplakati ethi batsho inelungelo lokuwaphatha ukwenzela ukudlulisa eminye imilayezo.
We are permitted as members of parliament to display placards in protest or in communication of certain messages, and that is exactly what members of parliament of the economic freedom fighters are doing.
Nanyana kunjalo uNgqongqotjhe uyethulile ikulumo yakhe yesabelo seemali yokukhibelela. Hlangana nezinye izinto azibalileko kungezelelwa ngomnyaka kwesibonelelo sabantu abangasebenziko sama 350.
Medium changes to spending plans are driven mainly by government's decision to extend the special COVID-19 social relief distress grant by 1 year until 31 March 2024.
Ugodongwana uthi umnqopho omkhulu kaRhulumende enarheni le kuphungula umtlhago ukungalingani nokutlhayela kwemisebenzi.
The strategic goal of this government is to reduce poverty, inequality, unemployment in pursuit of better life for all.
Umnyango lo ubekele ngeqadi 13 billion rands yokurarulula iintjhijilo zika 2022-2023 kanti isabelo esiphezulu kile mali yi6.3 billion yokusiza ngehlangothini lomonakalo obangwe ezingikhukhula khulukhulu KwaZulu-Natal. Ngqongqotjhe uthi kube namajuguluko amanengi agcina abanga ukukhuphuka kwentengo ejuguluko nokubiza kwepilo begodu lokho kugcina kubanga ukuthi umnotho wenarha le ukhuphuke nge1.6% kwaphela kanti uthi amaphesenti la mancane ukukhulu ukuthi angafikelela kizo zonke imfiso zenarha le.
This level of growth is too low to support our developmental goals. Accordingly, we must take action to put our economy on a higher growth trajectory.
Ngehlangothini lokuhleleka kwemisebenzi uthi kune 500 million rands ebekelwe umnyango wezangikhaya ukulungisa ihlelo le-digital elizokuqatsha abantu abatsha bayi 10,000. Uthi amaSewula Afrikha selahlalelwe evalweni ngebanga lokuthwelela kwezinga lobelelesi kanti uthi uRhulumende uzokuqatsha amapholisa ayi-15,000 eminyakeni emithathu ezako kilawo ayi-10,000 asehlelweni lokuqatshwa nonyaka nje. Ugodongwana uyivalile nendaba yama-e-tolls ngokuthi uRhulumende uzokubhadela ingcenye yesikwelede sama-e-tolls esifundeni saGauteng kodwana isifundesi naso sizokukhupha ingcenye ye-30% yesikwelede esi.